Hi there again. So let's make a little game. We'll do a very simple one with no scores and stuff. And let's get a hammer and smash something. But you know, it's not a very nice thing to smash a cat, and I'm sure it's illegal. So let's get rid of scratch the cat. So what we do is we place the pointer over the cat, right click and delete. Of course you can also do it down here, right click, delete, and the cat is gone. So now we need a new sprite. So let's go to the library and see something that is smashable. Oh, what about this beetle here? I'm just going to take that beetle. Right, it is there. And I also need a hammer with which to smash the beetle. So let's have a look if we have a hammer, and we know they are alphabetically, so let's go to the H. No. Hat and heart, nothing, not a hammer. There's nothing to smash it with. Okay, so let's go and draw a hammer. Let's close this. So what we do with a new sprite, we can paint a new sprite. And I'm just going to use two rectangles. If you're familiar with the paint program, perhaps you've done that in primary school, then it won't be too difficult. So I'm just going to use two rectangles. So for those who don't know, can you see down here you have your little preview. So this one is the default. Now look what happens if how I draw is the same motion as dragging. So you hold in your left mouse button and drag to the right bottom, slanting down, and you will get a rectangle that is not filled. But we don't want that, so I can undo there, or I can clear. So let's, oh, it doesn't work. Why? Oh wait, I have to click outside it. You see, the moment that it's selected, it won't work while you're still busy. So I can undo or I can clear. So let's undo. Oh no, erase all. The clear worked. Okay, so what I want is, I want that one, the solid one, and I think let's go for a silver. Let's use that one. Okay, now can you remember in our very first video I showed you this cross in the middle? So we need to paint our new sprite so that the middle is more or less, or the center of the sprite is over that cross. So let's just, okay, I have my silver selected, so let's, I can just perhaps make it a little bit bigger to this side. Okay, and then I want a handle of this brown color. So there, let's just move this. Yeah, and can you see the moment that I clicked outside when I finished, it appeared there. Okay, so we have a hammer now, but the thing is, we want the hammer to not just stay upright, we want it, let's select it, we want it to smash something, so we want it in another form. So what we can do is we can select, instead of painting a whole new one, we can just copy. So select, and then you know how we copy in other programs, we right click and then there's a copy, but it's not available here. So if you go to your keyboard, in the left hand bottom corner there's a key that says CTRL. It's control. So hold down control and press down the C. So that is copy and release both. And now we can paint a new costume. Can you see there the preview? And there's nothing on our screen on the right hand side. Now hold down that control key again and press the V. That is paste. So there we have it. So let's move the center over the cross and click, and there we have it. It still does not appear here because I have not clicked outside. So we can just grab this handle here and turn it, yeah, I think like that. Now click outside, and there we have two hammers, the one upright and the one down here. So just look at this hammer and click on the two, and you see we can create a smashing movement. Okay, I think let's go to script so that we can get rid of this. Oh, why don't we have a sprite? No, something is wrong. Something is wrong. Costumes. Oh, it's costumes. It's the same hammer, but with different costumes. Okay. Right. So I think you have enough to do now. So what you are going to do, get rid of the cat, get something to smash, draw a hammer, and make those two costumes, the one upright and the one down. And of course, before we go, we have to save, because I think we will be busy with this for some time. So let's call this one Beetle Smash. Up, what? Oh, Smash, that's right. Beetle Smash. Right, and I save it. Of course, you know where to save it. I save it on the desktop, and you have your very own folder in which to save. Okay, so off you go and do that, and then we'll be back.